lang ba yung baby girl doon sa Pinas. Tapos pagdating dito. So, right now, it's raining. And I'm waiting more than, I think, 20 minutes. Because I'm booking for a boat motor. Dito ko talaga mapapaisip kasi gaulan. Di ba mapaisip na, ano ba? Mag-learn na mag-drive motor. Yung nagtitipid ka, tapos gusto mo maging early, gusto mo maging independent woman, pero takot ka naman mag-drive ng motor. Hindi nga ako marunong mag-cross. I don't know how to cross on the national road. Even though there's a pedestrian, I feel so scared. Lalo na if there's no pedestrian, I cannot cross the road. Ano man naman? So, duty to subong. Masawik lang, tapos malit pagid ko, Lord, tabang. Ano ma-advise nyo? If you are in my shoe, what you gonna do? Are you facing your fears? Like, mag-drive na motor. Pero if mag-drive na motor, ang maning aras isip ko is, I need a license, I need to everything. To learn about it, to buy a lot of things. And I also shows different dramas like that. Ako sa din, they just commute, and it's okay, and I want commute. I'm so scared to cross the road. Mag-asawa na lang ako. Charot. So pray for me, guys.